Hello everyone, to add image into NSCaster, click on the drop down button, then select load source. Inside here, select color bar. Beside image, you can also add color into the channel. Select the color you want and click OK. So the color will be displayed on your channel. Same goes to the image. Select the color bar and select background image. Click plus to add your own image. So you can browse your image. After that, click OK. The image will be loaded to here. Select the image and click OK. So the image is now displayed on the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.